Hey, how's it going? Adam McChesney here, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you why you can't rely on digital marketing to be the only source of lead generation for your business. Now, it's the time of year right now where it is the slower months in a lot of our clients' markets and people that we're talking to on a daily basis about potentially working with us, and everybody's saying, well, I need digital marketing to really take off to get me through the winter and the slower months. Digital marketing should be used as an asset to complement everything else that you're doing in your business. And as many of you know or may not know, I literally built and started an auto glass company just from a website that we ranked to the first page of Google. Now, a majority of our business in the beginning came from search engine optimization and still does, but we have had to build out all of these other entities for lead generation to help our business sustain and grow as we have grown and added more team members and things like that. So networking, referrals, building relationships with insurance agents and auto body and car dealerships has been traumatic for us to be able to go and exponentially grow our business. Now, the SEO stuff is a massive piece to that, and you can absolutely have digital marketing as the backbone for starting a company or going a company online, but it should not be the integral piece to if you're only growing during winter and it needs to be digital marketing that gets you there. It's going to be a very tough winter. If you rely so heavily on digital marketing, you are one algorithm change away, you're one profile or ad account getting shut down away from your business being in massive, massive trouble. So digital marketing does have the ability to literally start a company, as we did with our auto glass company, but this stuff again just didn't happen overnight. It took time. It took us about 18 months of consistency of ranking our website before we started getting 4, 5, 6, 700 calls a month. And now what you notice there, as I said, it took about 18 months for us to get hundreds of calls a month. It wasn't like we weren't getting phone calls before then, but it took 18 months before we felt comfortable enough to go and actually create that company. But again, so many people hire a digital marketing company or they start doing some sort of form of marketing and advertising, and if it works, they're like, man, I need this to be the backbone of everything that we're doing online, and eventually it will play catch up with you. You should never be one armed focused, and you shouldn't put all of your eggs in one basket when it comes to marketing or advertising in general. Whether that is referrals, word of mouth, past customers, print, whatever that might be, doesn't matter if it's digital marketing or not. Don't be an all eggs in one basket or two baskets focused lead generation company. You need to diversify your portfolio, and you need to work on your business holistically, because let's just say you fire your marketing company or you decide to pull back ad spend, and you think that that one activity is going to dramatically change your company and get you to the next level. Oh, I just need to fire my marketing company and then all in the world is going to be fine. Most of the time, it's just uncovering the bigger picture that there's more problems under the hood within your business, is that you're just solely focused on getting leads from one or two places. And then you have to truly figure out how to run your business. So regardless of if you're doing digital marketing and you've been doing it for a while or not, whatever form of digital marketing you're doing, you need to complement those things with other forms of marketing and advertising and lead generation, because depending upon the time of the year, digital marketing might be crushing it. Depending upon the time of the year, referrals and networking might be the key to the backbone of your business. But if you're only focused on one or two areas, you are going to struggle regardless if these things are working or not, regardless of the time of year. So make sure that you diversify your marketing and advertising portfolio, because that will help you get to the next level in your business and sustain that next level within your business. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Let me know your thoughts, comments, things like that. Feel free to leave those below. Thank you.